Hey fellow expeditionists, we're at Prophetstown State Park.
And we're hiking the Trail of Scarecrows.
This is the 11th annual Trail of Scarecrows at Prophetstown State Park near Lafayette, Indiana. It is a paved hiking, biking, and stroller-friendly trail filled with scarecrows made by local businesses and organizations, where park visitors are encouraged to vote for their favorite scarecrows by making donations that benefits the Interpretive Services Fund for education, arts, culture, and history programs at the state park. The trail is typically open the entire month of October and the first week of November. There's a selfie seat. You want to have a seat for a selfie, Catfish?
Alright.
Whoa, maybe it's Bigfoot.
Maybe it's alien.
Howling at the doggy dip. So Catfish and I have come out here to Prophetstown pretty often. It's our local state park. Usually we are out here to see the wildflowers or just to get our exercise in. But this is the first time, believe it or not, we've come out here for the Trail of Scarecrows. This is the 11th year for it, and we've never bothered to come out for it. And it's actually really unique. It shows people's creativity. In fact, we're now considering making one ourselves for the Trail of Scarecrows next year. Well, that might be my favorite so far. That took some ingenuity to create that. Pet the kitty, Catfish. Meow, meow. Well, that is pretty much all of the scarecrows here on the Trail of Scarecrows at Prophetstown State Park. We still have a little bit of daylight left, so I think we're going to continue hiking a little bit on Trail 1 out here. But Catfish, what'd you think of all the scarecrows we've seen?
I thought some of them were neat.
Yeah.
Some ones didn't have as much effort, but some of them were really cool.
Yep. It's definitely interesting. You can really tell the groups that put a lot of time into it. It's just really interesting, and I don't know, it's kind of a neat thing to do. There's a huge wetland fen here. This is the time you can actually kind of get a view of it. Normally the plants here are so tall you can't hardly even see it, but there's a whole flock of birds up in this tree. We'll see if we can hear them on the video. Well, fellow expeditionists, that pretty much does it for our little hike around the Trail of Scarecrows and such here today at Prophetstown State Park. So, until next time, peace out.